Hello viewer, welcome back to our channel techsmartbest. Today I am telling about a tablet Fire 8D10. So this video will be very interesting and please watch a complete video. If you are interested about tech video, so please press the subscribe button and click the bell icon for latest update. So without wasting any more time, go for it. Fire 8D10 tablet display. The Fire 8D10 tablet display is a 10.1 touchscreen, 1920 by 1200 resolution at 224 ppi, 1080p Full HD video playback, IPS technology, advanced polarizing filter and fully limited display. The storage capacity of a Fire 8D10 tablet. The Fire 8D10 tablet 32GB and 64GB of internal storage, added micro SD card up to 512GB of additional storage. This device is compatible with FAT32 micro SD card. Other formats AXFAT are not supported. For some apps may require that are installed of internal storage. App or future update may impact available storage. Fire 8D10 tablet about of battery. Battery life up to 12 hours of reading, browsing and web, watching video and listening to music. Battery life will vary based on device setting, usage and better factors such as web browsing and downloading content. Certain software features or apps may reduce battery life. Charge time. Fully charging in approximately 4 hours using the USB-C cable with 9W power adapter included in that box. Approximately 3 hours with the 15W power adapter and Type-C to C cable adapter and cable sold separately. Wi-Fi connectivity. Dual band Wi-Fi supports public and private Wi-Fi network or hotspot that use the dual band 802.11a, 802.11b, 802.11g, 802.11n or 802.11ac standard with support for WEP, WPA and WPA2 security using power. Attention does not support connecting to HOG. Wi-Fi network. Wi-Fi 6 by 802.11 is not currently supported. 4G connectivity NA port. USB 2.0 Type-C connector to connect a PC, micronet computer or charging your device with the included adapter and micro SD slot for external storage. Audio to 3.5mm stereo jack and integrated speaker. Sensor accelerometer. Camera 2MP front camera and rear facing camera with the 720 video recording. Location based service via Wi-Fi. Available color black, twinkle light, blue, plum white. Additional feature external volume control built in Bluetooth with support for 8 to DP. Compatible stereo headphone, speaker, microphone and LE support. Accessibility feature voice view screen reader enable access to the vast majority of Fire table feature for users who are blind and visual impressed using text to speech or a connected refreshable Blerial display screen. Manufacturer enable viewer to zoom in, out and pan around the screen. Fire tablet that include accessibility setting for subtitle, font size, high constant text color, inversion color correction and convert stereo to mono audio. Subtitle are not available for all content. Learn more. Warranty and service. For 8D10 tablet could sold with a limited warranty on 1 year provided by the manufacturer. If you are a consumer, the limited warranty in the addition to your consumer right and does not jeopardize this right in any way. That means you may still have additional rights at law even after the limited warranty has expired. For further information on your consumer right. The Fire tablet subject of the time. The Fire tablet is subject to term found here, including in the box Fire tablet using 2.0 cable, 9W power adapter and quick start guide. Generation 9 generation 2019.